Well, now we look at the first BRICS summit since Egypt, Ethiopia, Iran and the UAE joined the bloc earlier this year.
Among many things on the agenda is the issue of reducing reliance on the US dollar. Russia has also proposed a unified depository and clearance system for the BRICS states. This is Moscow's latest effort to encourage member countries to expand financial cooperation without the assistance of the West. The bloc also has said that the potential for the way forward is de-dollarization agenda in forex reserves and oil trade. Here's a report for more on this.
The de-dollarization process is real and rising rather swiftly. BRICS Plus controls 42% of global central bank forex reserves. This is likely to contribute to the global de-dollarization process. Gold is the biggest potential alternative to the US dollar for the bloc. Despite active buying by the BRICS Plus group, gold is still only 10% of their central bank reserves, half of the global average. Prospects for global diversification towards BRICS Plus currencies, even a synthetic one, are limited. Therefore, the de-dollarization of global FX reserves will largely stand to benefit the developed market. In other areas, BRICS Plus is increasing its foothold in regional trade, becoming more focused on the trade between member countries. The group is gaining importance as a trade partner for the other emerging markets, especially in the fuel trade. BRICS Plus accounts for 37% of the EM fuel trade, a key area of interest for de-dollarization. BRICS Plus is actively de-dollarizing its financial flows from above-average levels. This is reflected in the Greenback's declining shares in their cross-border bank claims. International debt securities and broader external debt at the same time, BRICS Plus has a much smaller global presence in those areas, limiting the impact of its regional de-dollarization for the global role of the greenback. Some experts have suggested central bank digital currency projects such as mBridge could be another channel. Experts at ING Markets think this threat may be overestimated in the short term but underestimated in the long term. BRICS Plus countries have been relatively successful in converting their higher global role into a more active usage of their currencies worldwide. The most notable progress over the few years is seen in the higher share of core BRICS currencies in global payments via SWIFT. Still, the dollar seems to be retaining its global dominance despite America's shifting role in the global economy and markets. Nevertheless, BRICS Plus has the potential to challenge some DM currencies in future.
This year's BRICS summit was about many things, including alternative payments mechanism. Now, this is led by Russia. Russia was removed from the SWIFT payments mechanism after the Ukraine war in 2022. Now, essentially, what has been happening is that not only in the BRICS grouping, but outside, the focus is on trading in national currencies. Indian Prime Minister, during his address, mentioned about this and also mentioned about the UPI, which he said has been adopted by the UAE. There are other countries as well, but on the table is BRICS Pay, BRICS Bridge and other such initiatives, and both have been led by China and Russia. In fact, the Russian President Vladimir Putin recently said that its trade with China is almost 97% in national currencies, that is yuan and in ruble. With India also, trading has been focused on national currencies, and it looks like that this will be the mantra of the BRICS grouping, not only the de-dollarization bit, which could take some time, but also on trading in national currencies and having their own payments mechanism, which is non-Western. Sudhan Sibil for WION in Kazan, Russia.